Welcome! If you're tired of being tagged in random photos or posts on Instagram, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you the simple, step-by-step way to completely disable tagging on your Instagram account, so you're always in control of what appears on your profile. This guide is updated for the latest version of the Instagram app, so you can follow along with confidence. Let's get started. First, open up the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in to the account you want to update. Now, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, look up to the top right corner and tap the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu or the hamburger icon. This will open up a list of options. From here, tap on Your Activity. This section helps you manage everything you do on Instagram, including posts, interactions, and more. Next, scroll down and find the option labeled Tags. Tap on it to see all the posts you've been tagged in. Now, look to the top of the screen and tap the three dots in the upper right corner. This will bring up some extra settings related to tagging. Tap on Manage Setting. This is where you can control who can tag you in photos, videos, and posts. Under the section called Who Can Tag You, you'll see a few choices. To completely disable tagging, select Don't Allow Tags. Once you do this, no one will be able to tag you in any posts or photos on Instagram. And that's it. You've now taken full control of your Instagram tagging settings. No more unwanted tags or surprises popping up on your profile. If you ever change your mind, you can always come back and adjust these settings at any time. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Instagram tips and tricks. See you in the next video.